Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to create Salesforce agents using Salesforce CLI commands. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So before creating the agent using those Salesforce CLI commands, we need to create the agent specs file. So agent specs file is nothing but a YAML file which contains agent specific informations like agent roles and agent company details. And whenever we are creating these agent specs using this command like sf agent generate agent specs, so it will create automatically those topics by the help of AI generated. It will create AI generated topics. So and topics defined, like we have already several tutorials on those, how to create topics, agent related actions using those agent assets, etc. So we need to create these agent specs first. After that we can just run this command using this YAML file, and we can create the agent using those CLI commands, right? So let me create the copy this command and from the VS Code. So let me check the SF version. So SF CLI needs to be installed before we need to run those SF related commands, and my CLI version is like 2.99.6. and let me just run this command sf agent generate agent spec. So it will ask some of the details, like there are three things it will ask automatically whenever we are trying to create agent specs, like type of the agent to create, then name of the company, then description of your company, right? So first we need to provide whether it is customer or internal. For this I'll be selecting this customer. I'll be just clicking on enter, and the name of the company I'll be just provide this BrightWave Solutions for this demo. And description of the company is like BrightWave Solutions deliver innovative consumer electronics and smart home products, providing customers with cutting edge technology, high quality design, and reliable after sales support. So based on this description, it will using that generative AI, it will automatically pre-select the actions, topic actions available. It will select those topics and respective actions. So let me just provide the description. And finally we need to provide the role of the agent. Role of the agent is like the customer agency agent responds to the product inquiries, clarifies specifications, assists with troubleshooting, and guides customer through purchasing decision to ensure a smooth and informed buying experience. So this will be the role of that agent. I'll be just providing that details, and let me click the enter. So it will create the agent specs. So agent specs creation is done, and it will be in the lightning types demo specs folder. So let me just check this specs folder. So under this, so this is my project structure, like this is the standard structure, and in here we can see that in the specs folder we can find this agent specs YAML file. So agent specs, we have provided the agent type as customer, company name is like BrightWave Solution, and respective company descriptions and roles are there. And we can see that using that generative AI, it is selecting that topics like product specifications guide, troubleshooting assistance. These are the topics automatically selected based on the role or description we have provided for the agent, right? So finally our this YAML file is got created. Now we can just create the agent using by running this command like uh, sf agent create specs. So specs will be taken from this folder agent spec YAML, and the name is the BrightWave Solution, and let me click on the enter. And this will be the API name of the agent. So it's just taking my confirmation, so I'll be just clicking on enter. So it's the agent creation is now progress, so it will take some time. So we can see that our agent is got created, and we can just open the agent directly using a CLI command again, using this command, or we can just search from the quick find the agent. We are landed into this agent builder, or we can search directly from this quick find like agents. And under this agents for studio, we can find Agentforce agents. And let me just refresh this page once. And we can see that this BrightWave Solutions agent got created. And we can see that all the topics that are showing in that YAML file is now showing. And like these are the 5 topics got assigned for this agent. And we can just see whether the um, topic actions, like these are the topic action, got automatically selected based on the descriptions or role we have provided. And so this is the demo that we have shown, like how to create and Salesforce agent using those CLI comments. So thanks for watching. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics. Please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.